Hi guys, it's the morning, first beach day of vacation. Did it rain like wake you up last night? It was so annoying. Like it was seriously so annoying. Like I've never been bothered by rain before, but it was like it felt so much louder than normal. Alright, bye. Bye guys.
Maybe we don't get
Store.
We get cereal, creamer, bread, milk, soda, popsicles.
I got
Chapstick for your lips that has SPF in it.
because my lips always get like crispy. And that's about it. Now we're heading back. We're gonna have some coffee with our creamer that we now have. Have some cereal, sit on the porch,
really excited.
and have breakfast, and then go by the ocean. Snow cones. We should get snow cones sometime. Yeah. Okay, peace, Munchkin Grooge.
Bye.
It's a beautiful day out here on the beach. We're sitting under the umbrella trying to shield ourselves from the rain.
Loving this beach weather.
Yeah, so there's rain, there's dark rain clouds. Yeah, you can see the rain on Donut Dog and probably on Pineapple Philly. Those are our names.
Yep.
So, yeah, just really good rain.
Hi guys, so we just got in from the ocean. We were out there for a long time, just floating around on our rafts, Pineapple Philly and Donut Duck. It was a pretty fun time. It eventually stopped raining. We didn't really notice when. It was still like really cloudy and like thundering and lightning in the distance, so like it was great. But I mean, we made the best of it, and now we're gonna go and for sure gonna have a sandwich. Try to get something, so that's the plan. Okay, bye.
Okay guys, so I got a sandwich, got chips, you got Coke, I got Dr. Pepper with sharks on it. Lunch with a view.
Lunch
So,
with the view.
It's still cloudy. It doesn't look very dark. Okay, yeah, it's dark. You can see the dark one. Literally clouds all around.
Let's go to the
Little
beach.
patch of brightness over there.
Finishing up this popsicle honestly was amazing. Best part of my day. Just kidding, but it's really good. So now Emma's going to get one. She just hit on the glass over there. I was trying to vlog.
I was trying to scare you.
Looks like I know. She said. Oh no. Okay, I guess we should just stop.
It's raining again. Right when we were about to go out there, it started raining. So here we are on the balcony, sitting. 10 out of 10, don't recommend going. It just is annoying because the weather app says it's supposed to rain. All it's doing is raining.
So, I don't remember the last time that we vlogged. Maybe when we ate lunch? Oh no, we vlogged when we were sitting on the porch and it was raining. Well, it cleared up, so first we went to the hot tub, and then, honestly, I don't really know the whole layout of the day, but eventually we ended up in the ocean, in the sunshine, and in the pool.
Look at my feet. They're disgusting. Don't look at them. Never mind.
We had a lot of fun in our floaties. The weather wasn't ideal, but I feel like we made the most of it. It still was a pretty good day. Yeah, that's our update. You want to do a peace sign? Like that. Catch you later.
I feel like we're gonna be out of this tomorrow. I'm serious.
Literally still the whole tube is there.
No, we've used one.
I'm really upset. Like, I like my waffle down and shot. Don't tilt it all the way down. Have it at an angle.
more of an angle than that. No!
I had cereal, she had a waffle, we had coffee, and now we're gonna go walk on the beach, and then go back in and get ready and go to church. With our update, probably hit you up when we're on the beach. Okay, I'm vlogging now that we look presentable. Just doing OOTD. I don't know if to stay on vertical. Oh my gosh, I thought I'd just wait into this. Are you looking? Okay, so my romper is from American Eagle. My scrunchie is from Francesca's. And my necklace is the one that I wear every day that Brantley got me. My dress is from a store that called, I don't know. Wow. And my scrunchie is probably from like the street. Because it looks dirty. I don't know where that's from. I have 3 Alex Sonati bracelets. This one says, to the moon and back. Cute. This one is a feather. Cute. And this one is a E. Cute. I will catch you up 44. Okay. Bye. Oh. Hi guys. We're getting ready to head down to the beach. We had some lunch. We had peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, macaroni and cheese, and potato chips. It was really good. Okay. Bye. Bye. Popsicles, day 2. We hung out in the ocean for a while, then we laid out for a little bit. We're gonna go on a bike ride. That's about all we know. Just to update for all you awesome viewers. I pinched you twice to try to get you to come over here. You what? I went like this to try to come with me, and then you just stood there. So that I just was standing there trying to get your attention. So we're going on a bike ride. This is our attempt to look somewhat cute. Okay, we're going on a bike ride. Out here riding bikes. We out here. These bikes are cute, so we want to get some cute pics. Okay, bye. It's hard to vlog with one hand while riding a bike. Bye! Say bye. Say bye. Coffee out so that you have a cup to use in the morning. Yeah, okay. I know you were listening. What? Yes, I was. I know that I need to deal with that coffee. I know that I need to deal with it. So we just got back from bike riding. I guess we biked like 7 miles and for an hour and a half. It didn't feel like it at all. It was nice. It was nice to look at all the houses and stuff, and I really enjoyed it. And now we're gonna go night swimming. Okay, bye. JK, I did it. Good.
She's laughing. Thanks. What happened? I missed a step. People probably think we're drunk and we're literally not. We're okay. Wow.
Okay, so spent about close to an hour down there. I really wish that I would have gotten Emma falling, but I got the aftermath, so that was pretty funny. It was really embarrassing.
I mean, it wasn't that embarrassing because like
No,
I
it
couldn't
was
see
fine.
them and they couldn't see me, but it was
We
just
stayed in the
hilarious.
pool for a while, and then we sat in the hot tub. In the back, we have some ice cream.
And shower.
Yeah, because we look really good.
So we're back. We tried to go to Publix, but they closed at 10, so.
Your cheek is endless?
Yes.
You're right. Okay.
Okay.